Today's project, bed bump outs, so we can sleep east-west in our Ford Transit. Time to get to work. We are acknowledging that Ford Transits are no straighter walled than a skirted in. So we are stuffing bitchin' sauce into our faces and trying to not just collapse in exhaustion. After fighting with the solar this morning, trying to make sure it was charging the batteries and getting all the parameters set just right, then we're now fighting with the cubbies over there that the bed will extend into so we can sleep east-west. And let's just say, it does not make for the nicest of girls. We're admiring our work. Look at this. The insulation is in. The boxes are in for where the bed will sit. That's a coat hanger for shoving insulation. Moki is very happy. Oh yeah, I packed it. It is starting to be so cozy in here. It's raining outside. These DIY bunk cubbies leave us with 75 inches at the top of the mattress. We're just two ordinary gals building out a van. If you need some encouragement to do these projects yourself, reach out. Glad to share some knowledge and encouragement. Stay tuned for an Out-Equip AC heater review and a little bit of the install soon to come.